Trip.com Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Trip.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Trip.com Affiliate Program, you could also use my affiliate link below the description to earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Trip.com, it is a prominent international travel service provider operating in 39 countries and regions and offering services in 24 languages, and the platform boasts an extensive network of over 1.1 million hotels and flights from more than 510 airlines covering 3,400 airports across 220 countries, in which it caters to a diverse clientele including business and leisure travelers by providing a one-stop solution for booking flights, hotels, train tickets, car rentals, airport transfers, and tours. And now to proceed to the affiliate program of Trip.com, just go to this footer section and kindly proceed by clicking this button below that says Affiliate Program. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you here the overview of this affiliate program, and it says here that you can join and start earning up to 7%. And also, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some other offerings on this platform such as huge product coverage, simple processes, and thorough support, free marketing tools, and analytics and reports. They also offer here affiliate link, static banner to create customizable banners to drive engagement with your audience, and search box that will allow users to search our extensive product directly from your website. And as you can see under this commission plans, in terms of flights, you could also earn up to 0.6 USD per ticket, 0.5% or 0.8%, while on train you can earn 2%, while on hotel you can earn up to 7%, and for tour and tickets you can earn up to 5%. And now to proceed joining to the affiliate program, you could also click the affiliate link below the description or click this join now button right here, then you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do from here is to simply fill out all of this required information or section. Now under this personal details, just enter here your first name and last name, and you're also required to enter your phone number in here. Then proceed by entering the secondary email. And then below under business details, just enter here either business or individual. But in this option, I'm going to choose this individual. And under this industry, I'm going to select here the kind of industry, which is affiliate network. But you could also select different kind of industry depending on your fit preferences. And from here, you could also enter an invite code, but that is just only an optional. And below, just enter here or select your market scope from different kind of countries with here Japan, Hong Kong, Thailand, Korea, UK, Indonesia, Australia, Russia, and many more. Then below under partnership method, just select here advertising, and preferred payment currency, I'm going to select USD. Then below, just also select or enter here your city, region, or country. So for instance, I'm going to enter here Paris. And to proceed, just click this register button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window that you could also start filling out the payment info or not now. So the next step is to fill out the bank details, including your bank account name, bank account number, SWIFT code, your billing addresses in here, and many more. And after that, you can now proceed under Manage My Sites section, in which basically from here all you need to do is to simply enter here your website, or you could also click this edit section right here to proceed. Just enter here the URL of your website. For example, I'm going to enter here google.com, and for the site name, I'm going to customize this into Google. Then click Submit button to proceed. And after creating your new site, you can now proceed by going to the commission plan by clicking this one. It will show you in here all of your commission rate and also the product type. Maybe you're on hotel, you can earn up to 5%, 6 or 7% commission. While on flight, you can earn 0.5% or 0.8%, and even 0.6 USD per ticket. While on train, you can also earn 2%, that is just also a fixed rate. While on tours and ticket, you can earn 4%, 1.5%. Now under pre-sale, you can earn 5% of commission. Now aside from that, you also need to keep in mind in here that for hotels, bookings are considered confirmed once the user has checked out after their stay. And for flight and train tickets, bookings are considered confirmed once the user has paid and the ticket had been issued. So basically in here, affiliates benefit from a structured tiered commission system, allowing for potential earnings to vary based on the product line sold. And the program supports promotional materials such as banners, text, links, make it easier for partners to create engaging content for their audiences. But to do that, make sure that you also activate your account in here by clicking this Activate Now button. And after activating your account or submitting your application, you can now proceed by going to your dashboard, in which once you get accepted or you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program, you'll be able to see here under dashboard some of the data including your number of bookings, UV, booking amount, conversion rate, and also the performance summary including booking rate, UV, and PV. So you can track here all of your performance of being an affiliate. You can track here your balances and your commission. And now to start promoting this trip.com, you could also use some of these affiliate tools including promotion center, affiliate link, static banner, dynamic banner, search box, and many more. Now under this promotion center, from here you could also see some other product that you could also promote. We have here different kind of hotels. Let's say we're going to choose this Splendid Hotel Paris with an estimated earnings of 5.05 USD to 7.07 USD. And by clicking this promote button, it will show us in here that we can simply select our website, select language, set up the trip, and after choosing your template, we can now start customizing our banner in here. And below it will show us our link that has been added, in which whenever someone makes a booking via this link below, we will earn a commission. And to try it out, just click this try it button right here to proceed. Upon clicking on it, we will be directed on the next tab, in which this is basically what the customer or user will see, in which when they book this kind of destination or the one that we promote, we will earn a commission. Now going back in here, aside from this promotion, we'd also navigate under these hot sellers to promote some other product. But as you can see, most of them are hotel that we can promote with its estimated earnings that we will get on commission. Moving on, aside from that, we could also use this affiliate link by clicking on it. We can choose to promote using specific links by clicking this one. All we need to do from here is to simply paste the trip.com page link that we will like to promote. So just simply copy this one and paste it in here. And after pasting this, just click this generate button. And upon clicking this button, it will show us below our tracker links. And if you also want to shorten the link, you can do so by clicking this one. And after the link has been short, we can now proceed by clicking this try it to test it out. And this is basically what the customer will see if they try to click that link. And if they book anything, including hotels, flights in here, we will get a commission. Now moving on, aside from that, we could also use find links to promote, or we can now move on under static banner, or we can use some of this website by clicking this one, or we could create our new one by clicking this create new banner. And from here, just select the kind of layout that you prefer. And after selecting the layout that you prefer, just proceed by clicking the save and generate code. And below it will show you your generated code. All you need to do is to simply copy the code below to your own website in order to promote this one. So that is just basically the other way on how you can promote on this trip.com affiliate program. You could also use this dynamic banner, search box, and promo campaign. But overall, that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of trip.com. Thank you.